Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a roll cage on a EK hatch. So 96 to 2000 Civic EK. I'm going to walk you guys through it, how we do this roll cage. I'm here at my buddy's shop, Dry Creations. I'm going to show you guys all the process now. Let me know what you guys think. Here's all the roll cage parts. So we have all the loop for behind the seat, the loop that goes around the roof, and all the roll cage parts along with more tubes here. Some come pre-notched. A lot of them we have to re-notch and make sure everything fits because it's like universal size, so we gotta make sure everything fits on the car. But the roll cage is going on this EK hatch today. That's the main man right there, Dry Creations himself. So what we're doing today is we're gonna cut a notch on the dashboard. That way the roll cage tube comes along here and goes through. And then we end up cutting the dash out. So I'll be doing this and putting all this in a time lapse so you guys can see how everything is cut out. It's not going to take too much time. But we got the car all stripped out. No windows in it. Everything's going to be nice and easy to do a roll cage on this one. So I'll be explaining everything as much as I can on how we do it and showing how everything's tack welded and cut up. The whole process as much as we can get done. So we'll try and do this in a couple days. Let's see what we get out of it. Luckily enough, this car just got painted, so there's no windows in it. Makes life a lot easier. There's no interior, so we're halfway there already. All right, let's get to it. So as you guys seen on the time lapse, he was cutting this out right here for the roll cage tube to come in for a 10-point cage. We're doing a 10-point cage on this one, but that's the little section we had to cut out. Now we got to finish the other side. I'll go into a time lapse mode on that one as well. You guys get the idea of how it's done. Well, there you have it. Both sides are cut out. Now we can start installing the roll cage. As you can see, notch the dashboard section out, both sides, or the crash dash bar, whatever that's called. But we got it done. Now it's time to move on to the next project for the roll cage wise. All right, so now we're gonna come in here and we have to grind down all this smooth to put these plates in for the roll cage to sit on. So I gotta sit here and take off all this glue, grind all this down, that way we can weld on it. We gotta straighten out the floor from the bottom. And I'm gonna be using this wheel on a grinder to grind all this down, which I'll put in the time lapse now, you guys will see. But I have one in each corner. That's where that's gonna go. The tube comes through here for the roll cage, weld it onto there, and we're set. So I'm gonna get this into a time lapse mode now. You guys will see us grinding away and having fun doing this, I guess, right? So here we have it. Each corner is grinded down. Now we're ready to weld these plates in. The plates there. Should be able to get a nice weld now that the metal's all nice and cleaned up. That was a pain in the butt. It took a little while. Almost an hour just to grind all that down. It's whatever original primer they use from factory is pretty good stuff. Really aggressive to try to grind off. whatever this gray primer is. Pretty nice. Wish all primers were that good. Here we have Rudy doing this notching by eye. See how good he gets this. He already did this one pretty damn close. That's crazy. Both sides. We're waiting on injector to get done. Little dots at a time. He gets his pattern, cuts it up. That's the what?
That right eye.
That right eye, huh?
Once I think it's gone, I'm always.
There, you got that done? Slide that piece on there. Let me see what it looks like.
Pretty much cut. That's good. You just need to make sure all I got is correct, you know?
A little grinding and that's it. Not bad for first shot. Beast mode. Nice and tight fit. Small adjustments and that's it. Clean it up for welding. Right? Got that eagle eye.
You can't see what you're doing.
Boy, got that eagle eye. Like a hawk.
Instead of the more here in the front, so you want yourself in the back.
That's it.
That one stays here.
Little tiny gap.
Yeah.
Not really. Looks like it, but it's not. That's a nice fit right there.
It needs a little bit more.
That's all she wrote. we are on day 2. So far we have the rear of it done, the main hoop. We're working on these sidebars now. Then attach it to the main hoop on the top. It's a lot of work when you have to sit here and measure every little piece and notch everything out, and then tack weld it, and all that. So we have a lot more work to do, but it's getting there. After that, we just have the main bars coming from here to the back. Got to put a bar from here across from the strut to the strut, and then the main bars are coming from up here to the strut. And the cage will be completed. Probably another 3-4 hours on it just to get it in place and the size and tack welded on, not even welded. After that, I'm sure it's gonna be a full day to weld the entire cage on. Gonna go right through your dash. It's gonna look good when it's done. There we have it. Everything's tacked into place, ready to weld the rest of it. Just has to finish welding all the points, everything around, finish welding all the bracing. It's pretty much done as of right now. There's the roll cage. You guys seen the process. He still has to weld these onto there. And that's about it. Once he gets these tacked into place with the right notching here, everything gets welded after that, and the cage is basically done. So we probably have another 4 or 5 hours of straight welding all the joints together. As of now, it's just all tacked into place. But this is about where I'm gonna end it. I have a 4-hour drive home, so I have to get on the road myself. I already helped him cut everything, install everything, and there it is. Not bad. In 2 days we got a lot done, a lot more than we expected to do. So pretty happy with the outcome, that's for sure. But it's a whole car you got to put together. Well guys, there you have it. That's how we do a roll cage. We try to do it in 2 days. We got pretty far ahead. Still have a little 2 bars to weld in the front of the cage, but that's pretty much it for today. Please make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, share it, let everybody know there's going to be lots more coming, such as intercoolers and turbo setups and all types of cool stuff. So we're going to make this, it's going to be a nice little channel, little by little. It always takes time, but make sure you guys like it. Any comments, leave it below. Thank you.